Making a lead magnet on Wix. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can make a lead magnet on Wix. The process is simple. You just have to be at your Google and search for Wix. Then you have to go to wix.com. Now after going to the wix.com, it will take you to the Wix website. From here, you have to log into your account. After logging in, you will be able to see the dashboard. Now in the dashboard, on the upper right corner, you will be able to see an option that says Edit Site. Tap on it, it will take some time, and after loading, you can edit according to your need. Now, on Wix website editor, it allows you to create any type of pages or any type of things according to you. So you just don't have to worry about this. Just be creative and you will easily be able to create a lead magnet according to you. So the editing process is just simple. It is easy to drag and draw. So that's pretty much simple. And that's how you can add lead magnet on Wix.